5 Top Indoor Plants for 2025. Indoor plants are not only beautiful additions to your home, but also offer numerous benefits, from improving air quality to boosting mental well-being. Here are 5 top indoor plants for 2025 and their key benefits. Number 1. Snake plant Sansevieria. Benefits. Air purification. Known as a natural air purifier, the snake plant removes toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. Low maintenance. Thrives in low light and requires minimal watering, making it perfect for beginners. Oxygen production. Releases oxygen at night, improving air quality while you sleep. Aesthetic appeal. Its tall, upright leaves add a modern, architectural touch to any space. Stress reduction. Helps reduce stress and create a calming environment. Number 2. Monstera deliciosa Swiss cheese plant. Benefits. Air purification. Filters indoor air by absorbing harmful toxins and increasing humidity. Visual appeal. Its unique, split leaves make it a trendy and Instagram-worthy plant. Easy to grow. Adapts well to indoor conditions and grows quickly with proper care. Mood booster. Adds a tropical vibe to your home, uplifting your mood and creativity. Versatility. Can be grown in pots or as a climbing plant with support. Number 3. ZZ plant Zamioculcas zamiifolia. Benefits. Durability. Extremely hardy and can survive in low light and with infrequent watering. Air purification. Removes toxins like xylene, toluene, and benzene from the air. Low maintenance. Perfect for busy individuals or those new to plant care. Aesthetic appeal. Its glossy, dark green leaves add a sleek, modern look to any room. Drought tolerance. Stores water in its rhizomes, making it forgiving if you forget to water. Number 4. Peace lily spathiphyllum. Benefits. Air purification. Known for removing toxins like ammonia, benzene, and formaldehyde from the air. Humidity regulation. Increases indoor humidity, which is beneficial for respiratory health. Beautiful blooms. Produces elegant white flowers that add a touch of elegance to your home. Low light tolerance. Thrives in low to medium light, making it ideal for offices or darker rooms. Stress relief. Its calming presence helps reduce stress and improve mental well-being. Number 5. Pothos epipremnum. Benefits. Air purification. Effectively removes indoor pollutants like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide. Easy to grow. Thrives in a variety of light conditions and is forgiving of occasional neglect. Versatility. Can be grown in hanging baskets, on shelves, or as a climbing plant. Aesthetic appeal. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves add a lush, green touch to any space. Propagation. Easy to propagate, allowing you to grow new plants from cuttings for free. Why these plants are trending in 2025. Sustainability. As people become more eco-conscious, indoor plants are seen as a way to improve air quality and reduce reliance on artificial air purifiers. Mental health. The calming effects of plants are increasingly recognized as essential for reducing stress and improving focus. Aesthetic trends. Plants like Monstera and Pothos continue to dominate interior design trends, adding a natural, organic feel to modern spaces. Low maintenance. With busy lifestyles, people are gravitating toward plants that require minimal care but offer maximum benefits. By incorporating these top 5 indoor plants into your home, you can enjoy their beauty while reaping their health and wellness benefits.